Here we go, we have a question to sum, pair with given sum. So you have given an array of positive integers and integer target. We need to determine if there exist two distinct indices such that the sum of their elements is equal to the target. So let's suppose we got this array and target is 16. So we got 6 and 10. Its summation is 16. So we got this array, we need to find 11. But 11 is not there. At max we can have is 6 plus 4, which is 10. So we cannot have 11. So this question is pretty straightforward. Now let's try to build the approach. So first of all, let's try to brute force. So what is the brute force? So let's suppose I start with this particular index and the next possible index is this. So we need to find the summation of these two values. This is not equal. Let's jump to the next value. This is not equal. Jump to the next value. Not equal. Jump to the next value. Not equal. Jump to the next value. Not equal. Then we will increment our I and then start our J loop again onwards. So in this, the time complexity will be n square, but we can do better. The better approach will be to first sort the array. So after sorting, we got 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 45. Then we initialize our two pointers, one pointer here, one pointer here. What is the summation? It is 46, which is greater than 16. So we need lesser value. So I will just update my j pointer to one less value. Then its summation is 11. So it is less. So we need greater value. So I will just increment my left pointer. So we got this is 14, which is still less. Then we got 16. Then we got our answer. In this case, the time complexity will be n log n as we are sorting our input array. So this is the better approach, but we can still optimize this. So suppose we go to this array and we need to find two variables. So a plus b should be equal to target tgt. Now let's find for one particular value. It will be target minus b. What if we go to this 10? So what is the target? It is 16 minus 10. We got 6. Is this 6? Is 6 element there? Yes, 6 element is there, and we have seen this previously. So as we go through our array, we need to store our elements. So to storing our elements and to um, find whether a particular element is there or not, we can utilize set data structure. So initially we got set data structure as empty. So this is my set data structure. Then we got this. So what's the formula? Target means 16 minus 1. Is 15 there in our set? No, 15 is not there. So now just input, just add this value. We got this. Next value is 4. What is the formula? 16 minus 4, which is 12. Is 12 there? Is 12 there previously? No, it is not there. So this is not a valid combination. So just input the element. Then we got 45. What's the formula? 16 minus 45, which is some negative value. Uh, so negative values are not there. So now let's add the input value, add the current value, and jump to the next value. We got 6. What's the formula? Target minus current element, which is equal to 10. So 10 is not there. Just input the first element, means current element. Then we got 10. So what's the formula? 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6. Is 6 there? Yes, 6 is there. Means we got two elements whose summation is equal to target. So as simple as this. Now let's try to implement the same formula into this. So initially our set is empty. What's the formula? Target minus current element 10. So 10 is not there. Input your element. Then we got 2. Formula is target minus current element, which is give us summation as, which is give a result as 9. So 9 is not there. Just input your value. Then we got 4. 11 minus 4 will give us 7. 7 is not there. Just input your value. Then we got 3. 11 minus 3, which is give us 8. So 8 is not there, just input your value. Then we got 6. So what's the formula? 11 minus 6 will give us 5. So 5 is not there, just input your value. So we have traveled our array, but elements are not there. So in this case, our answer is false. So as simple as this. Now let's try to code this. So we got set that structure, and we have a simple for each loop. If this element is there in our set, means we got our two elements and the answer is true. Then we need to just add our input element and return if no such element are found. Now let's submit this. Now let's discuss about the time and space complexity. We have a simple for loop, so its time complexity is order of n, and space complexity in the worst case will be order of n. So we have solved this question. Code is provided in the description box, and we have also met the time and space complexity. Interestingly, this question is asked in many of the big MNCs. So I hope you all learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.